Hello, in this video, I will go over the quiz regarding derivatives by quotient rule. So if you need to press pause to write down the problem, go ahead and press pause. Okay, let's go over the quiz. So we're going to apply the quotient rule. So what is my f? My f is this, and then my g is the bottom, right? So f is, how about let's use blue, not red. So f is 2x7 minus x squared times x minus 1. Okay. Should we, since we're going to find f prime, what should we do? There's two options you can do. You can take the derivative of f prime by doing power rule, product rule, or you can FOIL it out and collect like terms. It's entirely up to you. Yeah, it's really up to you. So maybe I'm just gonna FOIL it out and then just take the derivative of each term. So this would be 2x8 minus 2x7. This would be minus x cubed, and then plus x. So let me double check my work. So 2x7 times 1, x1 is a 2x8. 2x7 times -1 is negative 2x7. Negative x squared times x is negative x cubed. Negative x squared times -1 is, oh, make a mistake. So negative x squared times -1 is positive x squared. Okay, let me do it one last time. 2x8, 2x7, negative 2x7, negative x cubed, and positive x squared. Negative x squared times -1 is positive x squared. Okay, now let's take the derivative of that by using power rule. So what's the 2x8? It is 16x to the 7. The derivative of negative 2x7 is negative 14x6. And then negative 3x squared. And then positive 2x1. Okay. And then my g is the bottom, which is x plus 1. And luckily, g prime is easy to find. It's just 1. Okay. So quotient rule, let me write out the rule again. So quotient rule is f prime of g minus g prime of f all over g squared. Okay, so it's going to be, so y prime, because that's what they want, y prime, f prime, which is 16x7 minus 14x6 minus 3x squared plus 2x. I'm going to run out of space. Let me put it down here. So it's y prime equals to f prime, which is 16x7 minus 14x6 minus 3x squared plus 2x. And then times it by regular g, which is x plus 1, minus bracket, and then g prime is 1 times regular f, which is, when we FOILed out regular f, it was this. So it's just going to be 2x8 minus 2x7 minus x cubed plus x squared, right? And then it's all over g squared. So g is x plus 1, and then square that. Okay, so what we're gonna do is there's some work. Let's FOIL this one. This is probably the easiest. So it's 1 times this. It's just pretty much this. But then you have to FOIL out this minus. So it's going to be minus 2x8 plus 2x7 plus x cubed minus x squared. And then on this one, you gotta FOIL this out. There's no real shortcut. Okay, so FOIL it out. So 16x7 times x is 16x8. 16x7 times 1 is 16x7 minus 14x6 times x is minus 14x7. Negative 14x6 times 1 is negative 14x6. Negative 3x squared times x is minus 3x cubed. Negative 3x squared times 1 is positive. Oops, not positive, it's negative 3x second. And then 2x times x is positive 2x squared. 2x times 1 is 2x. So this is just your numerator. Can we collect like terms? Yes. So when you simplify it, when you collect like terms, your final answer is going to be y prime. So on the numerator, it's just going to be 14x8 plus 4, not 14, it's 4. Or x7 minus 14x6 minus 2x cubed minus 2x squared plus 2x, and then on the bottom it's just x plus 1 square. I would not FOIL out the bottom, just leave it as it is, and this is your final answer. Okay. So that's your final answer. If you got this right, good job. Okay, that's it for this section.